Hello, and today at Model Corner we have another jumbo jet, this time it being the PPC Plastic Plane Company Qatar Airways Airbus A380 in 1/200 scale. We recently looked at the British Airways one, and now we have the Qatar Airways one. See, looking at the fuselage of the body. Obviously, as you can see, this is another snap-fit kit that is put together easily with no glue required, which I will now demo for you. First off, take the wings and they will just snap onto the fuselage or the body of the plane, like so. As you can see, wing one, move over to the other side, slot in the second wing, and there you have the wings. And now we can move on to the tail. As you can see, this is an Airbus A380, so it's a very large plane. And on the tail, it is made up of three parts, these two horizontal stabilizers, and there's one vertical stabilizer. So let's get this into camera. Just push it in, maybe give it a little bit of a wiggle. There's one. Could be a little stiff sometimes, there we go. That's in. And then place in the top one. And there you have it, the Qatar Airways Airbus A380. Of course, it is a very large plane. It's the largest passenger airliner that has ever been built, and it is the only full-length double-decker airliner. As you can see, it has two floors all the way along. Some planes you've seen, they have a bit at the front, but this is all across. Now, you can see the Qatar Airways logo and livery. As you can see the goat head on the tail, which you will also see on each of the jet engines. Show both sides. As you can see, it has a registration of A7APE, and we've got some of the nice details. Actually, we've got a Qatar flag here, for little marks here and here. Let's check out the other side again. Again, with the flag, the registration. And then underneath the plane, we have the registration on the wing, as you can see, and in big bold letters, Qatar. Now, again, it's a large model. It has a nice wingspan of 39.4 centimeters, and it's about 36.37 centimeters long, so the same size as the British Airways one we looked at. And again, this model has no landing gear, but it does come with a display stand, which is shown here, which says Qatar. It's got the nice logo, the goat's head, an Airbus A380. And the stand just fits together like so. Push it on. And then this fits into the hole underneath the plane. So here, it will just push onto there. And there you have it, the Qatar Airways PPC Airbus A380 in 1/200 scale. This is how it looks on display. It's a very nice plane with some very nice details. Again, if we look at things like the wings, you can see the flaps and ailerons. We have the wingtips, and things like the elevators and rudders featured on the stabilizers of the tail. Now, this plane comes packaged in this box here, if you can see. It's got Airbus A380, picture of the plane itself flying. Now, it is the exact one modelled here. Right to the side, we've got Qatar Airbus A380 and the dimensions of a real Airbus A380 with its length, its height, and its wingspan. And this plane is available now from modelcorner.co.uk.